Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Liberty Pump Pro 370 is not working the way it should, making unusual sounds, not pumping correctly, or acting differently than normal, it can quickly become stressful because this system plays an important role in moving wastewater efficiently. Sometimes the pump may stop starting, run longer than expected, or seem completely unresponsive. In many situations, the issue is connected to power supply, float switch movement, blockage, or setup conditions rather than a major failure. Since the Liberty Pump Pro 370 depends on several connected parts working together, even a small interruption can affect overall performance. The big thing is that many common issues can be checked with a few simple troubleshooting steps before assuming the pump needs replacement. In this video, I will show you step by step Liberty Pump Pro 370 troubleshooting. Try these. Step 1. Check the power connection of the Liberty Pump Pro 370 and confirm the Liberty Pump Pro 370 is receiving electricity properly. Step 2. Inspect the float switch inside the Liberty Pump Pro 370 and make sure the Liberty Pump Pro 370 float moves freely. Step 3. Check the discharge pipe of the Liberty Pump Pro 370 for blockage that may slow the Liberty Pump Pro 370 operation. Step 4. Turn off the Liberty Pump Pro 370 and restart the Liberty Pump Pro 370 after waiting briefly. Step 5. Inspect the basing area around the Liberty Pump Pro 370 to confirm the Liberty Pump Pro 370 is not overloaded. Step 6. Test the Liberty Pump Pro 370 again and confirm the Liberty Pump Pro 370 is operating normally.